Dating back to as far as 1974, student pharmacists have formally recognized the impact that cardiovascular screening and education can have for the community. But more recently, in 2010, APhA-ASP implemented the National Patient Care Project known as Operation Heart. As Operation Heart, our purpose is to support the development of student-led community initiatives that address and prevent cardiovascular disease. Our goals include raising awareness and promoting patient understanding of cardiovascular disease and its risk factors, encouraging patients to have conversations with their primary care provider, and promoting the profession of pharmacy. Every year, Operation Heart starts off with training student pharmacists in blood pressure and cholesterol collection techniques and counseling patients on their values prior to our health screenings in the community. We offer free cholesterol and blood pressure screenings at various events throughout the year while advocating about the role of pharmacists in the healthcare field. One of our most impactful events is the UF Great Gator Health Fest, where Operation Heart and other APHA patient care projects, along with various student pharmacist organizations, collaborate with different UF colleges of health in an interdisciplinary approach to promote the well-being of our community. With our combined efforts, we're able to impact over 100 people at the Great Gator Health Fest each year. In addition to our screening efforts, we also educate patients on the main risk factors that contribute to heart disease, such as tobacco use, increased salt, sugar, and fat intake, and high blood pressure. In order to reach a more diverse patient population that is not just in the Gainesville area, we have collaborated with the UF College of Pharmacy Jacksonville campus to put on the Keystone Heights Health Fair in this past fall. In addition to screenings and initiatives started by Katharina Gonzalez and Daniel Foskey back in 2011 called the Run for Your Heart 5K, has been APhA-ASP Operation Heart's annual tradition for the last 7 years at UF. The goal of this 5K is to raise awareness for the heart health and raise funds for cholesterol and blood pressure supplies for screenings in our Gainesville community. As February is American Heart Month, Operation Heart encourages student pharmacists to be a part of improving future outcomes and raising awareness of cardiovascular disease that is prevalent in our country. Heart disease and stroke are still the #1 and #5 causes of death in the United States, and 80% of heart disease and stroke events are preventable. Having a well-balanced diet with a limited salt intake and regular physical activity will help with decreasing risk of developing and managing both hypertension and high cholesterol. As the public's most accessible healthcare provider, pharmacists play a significant role in the prevention and management of cardiovascular diseases through collaboration with other healthcare providers. This interdisciplinary approach has resulted in better management of hypertension, which is the most common cardiovascular disease and plays an important role in patients' well-being. Operation Heart grants student pharmacists the opportunity to become health advocates, enabling patients to take control of their health by encouraging lifestyle modifications, identifying risk factors, and providing counseling on disease states and medications.